Tokyo Disneyland, where all your dreams come true in Japanese. Let's go, Philippines! Good morning! We're going to Tokyo Disneyland today. It's not Disney World, right, babe?
No.
It's Disneyland?
Disneyland.
It's Disneyland. We're gonna spend the whole day at Disney. The weather said it's also gonna rain, but it won't stop us because it means more time for us to do some rides, because they do stay open, and like there's still some attractions and whatnot happening there. They won't close because of some rain. Reason for that, for anyone traveling to Tokyo, September is known to be their typhoon season, so just be careful, be aware of the weather conditions when you do want to travel to Japan. We want to start our day early. Regarding some reviews, they said go early so that you don't get stuck at the line up for tickets. And then sometimes they can even run out of tickets because they can't accommodate for the amount of people going in there. But luckily enough, we were going there on a weekday. It is Wednesday. Usually they get really busy on a Sunday, and on top of that, the weather condition, they said it's gonna rain, so maybe not a lot of people are going. So yeah, we just want to make the best out of it with the conditions that we're dealt with, right? So I'm just gonna get ready, shave this thing off. I wish I could shave that off. Tokyo, technically day 1 or day 2. Let's do day 2. Okay, Tokyo day 2. So we're just trying to get ready to get out, but someone is taking forever. Buy a lot of snacks before you go to Tokyo Disneyland. They allow you to bring in food and drinks, just not alcoholic drinks or bottled drinks or cans. You can bring plastic bottles, and there's a bunch of water, what do you call that? Fountains? Yeah, there's a bunch of water fountains scattered across Disney, and you can actually just refill your bottle over and over. And there are a bunch of picnic spots inside Disneyland, and you can just, grab a spot, sit down, eat, and yeah. There are also lockers inside Disney, so you can rent one out, and then yeah, put your stuff there while you have fun, stroll around Disney, and then when you're ready to eat and you're hungry, you can just grab your food. Hi. Ready for Tokyo Disneyland?
Yes.
I am. You look amazing, babe. Here we go. How's Japan so far?
Good.
Yeah, you like it? Well, it smells nice, huh?
Smells nice?
Well, the air smells clean. So busy. As long as you know where you're going, right? She said, oh, maybe there's a coin person here because I need one. And we walk in. It's all cosmetics. I think I got tricked. We are at Disneyland Tokyo Resort.
And the weather's looking nice, right?
Weather is nice. So it's gonna rain around 2 p.m. And we are actually 20 minutes late. The resort opens at 8 a.m. but there's already a massive amount of people lining up.
Hello!
How excited are you?
Very excited.
Yeah. This is our first of all, this is our first vacation together as a married couple. Wow. And this is our first Disneyland together. Yeah. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. As you can see, there's a lot of people lining up. Welcome to Tokyo Disneyland, where all your dreams come true in Japanese.
Okay, so here's the map of Tokyo.
Tokyo. So we just grabbed the map of Tokyo Disneyland. Like I said in my itinerary, that we were going to stay here for the whole day. I think that's going to work out because of all the stuff that we can do. We're looking for a locker first to put this really, really heavy bag. But we're going to try walking around as soon as possible. So, here in Tokyo Disneyland, what you really want to do is get this map. It's the guide map. do have it in different languages, so be patient, you'll find it. It's located here, located there, this stand. It took us about an hour to get in, even though we got here at 8:20. It's currently 9:20. Anyway, we're gonna look for a locker, come back to you in a bit, talk to you later. We found a locker. It was just by the entrance, and Mary knew where it was, and I wasn't listening, so I was being a really disappointing husband.
Yeah.
So for now, it's started to rain like we thought it was, so we're just gonna walk around the first area here. It's a really big map, but the castle's looking amazing, and we're just gonna walk around. Okay, moving forward. So babe, what'd you buy? She couldn't wait. Harrington's jewelry and watches. Oh wait, I can buy a watch. I would want to buy a watch here, right? Oh, that's so nice, so quaint. 60,000. You have money? It's only 60,000 yen. 80,000 yen.
Wow.
Yeah? Come on, babe. She knows I'm OCD.
So I'm gonna buy this one.
Oh yeah, let's buy that later, right? Babe! Halloween's close, you know what that means? My birthday's coming up.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me.
Whoa! This girl's grilling me right now. So we're just walking around. The castle's right there. Again, guys, typhoon season here in Japan. Don't worry, it's still fun. They sell, you know, raincoats and umbrellas here. The umbrellas were going for 1,000 yen each. Not so bad. How much is that Canadian? 12 bucks, I think. Not so bad. So you don't let it ruin your day. Japan is known to be a wet country during this season or this month. So yeah, we're just going around. Right now, we're at Adventureland. We're first right here in Adventureland, and this is called the Western River Railroad. There's no bells, it's just a tour around Adventureland. If you know, you know. That's all I can say. Haven't noticed it yet. September here in Tokyo Disneyland is Halloween themed. So pretty much everything here is just all pumpkins and ghosts. Oh, so cute! Am I can't even see myself. Hey, it's so dark. Oh, Wendy! Peter, save her! Where's Peter? Oh, there he is! Peter! Hi! Look at that. Dun, 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 dun. Wrong castle. So right inside the castle, you can buy figurines, glass art. We're in this place called Plasma Rays, and we just ordered food. And babe, tell them what we have.
This one is
What is that?
fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Chinese bun.
So it's like a bao, fried chicken in a bao, and
This one is a beef and egg.
yeah, sausage and egg with rice. Look at that egg, looks nice. And then we got fries, and then of course the drinks. I ordered a Fanta melon and just Coca-Cola, Fanta melon and Coke. All in all, the food cost us 2,140 yen, so not bad. I thought it was going to be crazy expensive, but I guess the most expensive part of going to Disney right now is the entrance fee, which was 7,400 yen, which is about 92 Canadian. And the Coke here is kind of like the Coke when we had in the Philippines back then. It's so like it's so sweet and fizzy, and you can't really explain it. It's like just better than Canadian Coke.
It's not watered down.
It's not watered down Coke. We're in Star Tours right now, and it's a 3D ride, so I can really take a video, but it's all Star Wars affiliated. Are you excited?
I don't know what's going on.
We just went in here not thinking what's gonna happen. Well, we kind of stumbled upon a 3D ride. That's our door, and we're ready to go. We didn't really expect that ride, and it was really fun. It was a 3D ride? And 4D technically. You felt everything while it was happening. It was really fun. Yes. You vlog my vlog?
Vlogging your vlog.
You're vlogging my vlogging? You know what I like, babe? Is the fact that this is just the entrance. You know, a while ago with the Star Wars, they go all out. They're just like, you know, you trying to get inside. Here we go. That was such a good ride. Too bad I couldn't record it. But I think that was my favorite ride so far. It's a small world. What? Well, this is a classic though. It's like one of those you have to ride it when you go inside Disneyland, right? Here we go. It's a small world after all. Let's go, Philippines! Yeah, they put Philippines in the Hawaiian corner. There's Moana. A really, really amazing job. All the colors were vibrant. It was amazing. I'm laughing at the fact that they put Philippines right at the Hawaiian corner by Moana. They split us up from the Asian corner. Oh, Canada. Yeah. Oh, really? Toronto.
Wow, small world.
Yeah! Woo!
Wow, standing ovation.
Okay guys, that's a wrap here in Tokyo Disneyland. Hope you guys had fun. Did you have fun tonight? Yeah? What was your favorite part? Eating. Winnie the Pooh was awesome. It was one of the best rides. Very interactive, very colorful, vibrant. It was awesome. The entire park is very interactive. They do like animatronics and light shows all throughout the park, on the walls. Like right now it's happening as they're dimming down the lights. Anyway, that's it for us tonight. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And this is Tokyo Disneyland here in Japan. Bye. Bye. Have a good night, guys. Woo!